Decatur County in southwestern Georgia, northwestern Grady County in southwestern Georgia, eastern Miller County in southwestern Georgia, Doherty County in southwestern Georgia, Mitchell County in southwestern Georgia, Lee County in southwestern Georgia, Baker County in southwestern Georgia, eastern Calhoun County in southwestern Georgia, Terrell County in southwestern Georgia, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Leary to near Bainbridge, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Morgan, Albany, Dawson, Leesburg, Pelham, Putney, Camilla, Vacanton, Leary, East Albany, Marine Corps Logistics Base, Turner City, Smithville, Walker, Sale City, Sasser, Brownwood, Ivy's Mill, and Stocks. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for southwestern Georgia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for south central and southwestern Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Georgia, Decatur, and Grady.
I got these out of the map.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been in effect until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north.
I saw you almost reboot. I saw you.
Eastern Miller, Doherty.
Alright, that's it. I'm taking my 382 and using it to shut off the 249 so I don't have to reboot the 74200.
Severe thunderstorms were located along
Yes! Haha.